Watch every Motogp session this year live and uninterrupted with VideoPass.
Oh, Marquez! Whoa! It's Espargaro on Espargaro.
The only way to take in the breathtaking action we're guaranteed to see this year from every angle possible. Plus, you'll be guaranteed to never miss any iconic Motogp moments by watching it over and over again thanks to On Demand.
By Quattararo and Martin. That's close. Quattararo and Martin. That's close.
Get unrivaled access to every classic race from 1992 to present day with our extensive VideoPass archive. And you can exclusively enjoy a whole host of documentaries that bring you right into the heart of the Motogp paddock. Any device, anytime, anywhere, VideoPass will bring you every session from every round this year. Quite simply, the best way to enjoy Motogp.